This is my 2004 Trailblazer. If you have a Trailblazer and when you are driving on highway, if you hear wind coming in wind noise from door area, not the window, door area, maybe your door is half open and air is entering inside your cabin. To fix that, first you check moving the door up and down, and this pin, this hole will get bigger and bigger over time and make a play. And if that's happening, door will move up and down and there's a play. This car doesn't have that play. Second, you unscrew these two torques. These are T40, and then hit here with hammer. There's a backing plate under this panel, and by hitting this one with hammer, the backing plate will go inward so that you can close your door tighter. This one I was able to move like 2 millimeter. Also, you check the condition of rubber boot. Some people say you can put the tube inside this rubber boot so that it will become like this and it will push against the door. Finally, you lower down the window, you push here and then pull here. You can manually bend the door so that this area will fit tighter on the body.